There is something common in all of us. We all want to be successful in life. Ask anybody. Everybody want to be successful in life. Nobody will say that I want to be a failure or I want to fail. But all of us in that race try to find out what are those tips and tricks, what are those hacks, what are those steps or methods to which they will implement and they will become successful in life. They can become rich quickly, they can become successful as quickly as possible. And we always try to chase success, and we are not process driven, we are success driven, we are result driven. We should be result driven, but we should have a strong process. But how many of you in the race of achieving the success, in the race of knowing what it is required to be successful, knows what are the common causes of failure? So in this video today, I am going to talk about what are the top reasons of failure in our life. I'm sure you all are the keen observer in your life. If you go back 10-15 years and you revisit, probably you want to check what has really happened in your life and analyze, and if you are a keen observer, probably you will learn from your mistakes. As APJ Abdul Kalam said, that if you really want to be a successful person in your life, rather than listening to success stories and reading the biographies of people, you should learn the failure stories, because they will teach you so that you will not repeat those mistakes which other people have done in their life, and you will also not repeat those mistakes which you have done in your life. Because it is absolutely okay to make mistake, it is absolutely okay to fail, but if you are failing repeatedly, if you are making those mistakes repeatedly, then you are not doing justice to yourself. So let's quickly talk about what are those tips and tricks, what are the common causes of failure in our life. So the number one is the lack of purpose, the lack of definite purpose. I hope we have talked about this particular thing, finding our purpose, identifying what we want in our life very much in our previous videos. You may want to watch those videos, how to identify your purpose and how to have that definite aim in your life. Ladies and gentlemen, if you are traveling somewhere, I'm sure you have certain aim and destination where you want to go. Remember, if you're traveling, if you don't have a destination in your life, where would you end up? Where will you end up reaching? Where would you reach? The way we have aim, the way we have a destination when we travel, we similarly should have an aim and a definite purpose, a destination where we want to reach in our life. Now, identifying a purpose is a journey. You need to go ahead and ask certain questions to yourself. What do you want to become in your life? Why do you exist? What is your existence reason in this world? Why are you here? And definitely, if you work on that, you will definitely identify your purpose. So it is extremely important to know what is your bigger purpose in life. The second thing is lack of self-discipline. Now, how many of you know that self-discipline is nothing but a self-control? It is the ability to choose which is difficult and which may result into better things in life in the future. So you are choosing the difficult part so that you will have freedom in your life. You are choosing discomfort over comfort for some period of time so that you will have freedom in your life. So self-discipline is extremely important, but lack of self-discipline will lead to failure and you'll not be able to be successful in your life. And the third thing is health. I hope all of you know that your mind talks to your body. If you're not healthy, you will not be able to communicate properly. You will not be able to do things properly with the confidence and the enthusiasm which is required for taking massive action. You might be overeating, you might be eating certain things which are not good for your health, which are not meant for your body. So you got to be very choosy what you need to eat. You got to be very choosy what is the amount of food that you need to eat so that you will be healthy. Also, you may want to do an exercise regularly, because that is something which will invigorate the tissues in your body, that will give you a boost. It will give you dopamine and you feel healthy. And the moment you feel healthy, lots of things start to get better in your life. And the last thing that I wanted to say to you is habit of procrastination. I have made videos on this as well. So how many of you have a habit of putting off things that I want to do this today, but I will do it tomorrow? There is no issues about that. How many of you are doing this kind of a thing, that you have to do certain things, you have to achieve certain things by a specific date, but you said it is okay to, you know, postpone that activity and we will do it later on. You are not doing justice to yourself. If you are procrastinating things, which means that you are not result oriented, you don't value your time. Time is one of the major factor. If you do not know how to manage your time, you will never be able to successful. Your time is the most valuable thing in your life. Learn how to manage time. Choose action over procrastination. I hope you love these 4 common causes of failure. I would encourage you all to avoid these common causes of failure and choose a better version of it. Be self-disciplined, be an action taker, be a health conscious person, be someone who knows the purpose, be someone who knows what to do in their life. So I want to thank you from the bottom of my heart for watching me, for all the videos and sharing with your friends and families who are benefiting as well. My mission is to help as many people as possible so that they can become a better person in their life. So I hope you love the video. In case if you have any feedback, any questions, you may want to drop it in the comment section. I promise I will answer to that. And in case if you have any issues which you want, where you want myself to involve and want me to fix, I'll be glad to do that. So this is your friend Tausif Hasan signing off until we meet again. Have a great day.